Hey guys! Hi guys. I am getting ready for RuPaul's DragCon at New York, launching Miss Fame Beauty under my skin. I've been doing some previews online, so by the time this video is out, it would have already been released. This is a little temporary apartment we're staying in. Since I just got back from Europe, I've been gone for 3 months. I've been going to every dermatologist and every expert in the city to get me back on track for the business, because it's New York Fashion Week intersected with DragCon. So right now we're going to prep the skin, some little Madonna Rose Mist spray. Thank you, Madonna, for sending me all of these great things. I'm gonna start with the eyes. Obviously, I've released a palette, experimental glitters. There's 10 shadows. We're really gonna feature the eyes today. With Tantric glitter pressed over the top and maybe some AB stones. I've bought a lot of stones. We have 2 hours, so I'm gonna try my best to do this quick. We're going to be adding a little bit of Danessa Myricks Colorfix. I'm doing all my social posts today. I'm doing like the whole shebang. Prepping for launch, stressed out. This is my second launch, and I'm like, it's really opened my eyes to how I can really lean in and support the future of beauty from my own perspective with integrity, honey. So I'm just putting a darker shade. I'm just using creams right now, and I'm building out the corner of the eye. Okay, so now I have a nice, this is like a silhouette for the shape. It's subtle. So right now we're going to press some shadows into the eye. Gorgeous. So I'm gonna probably be using Noirgasm up here as my shadow primary, and that's a black-based matte glitter. And I'll be doing some highlighting on the inner corner with Auragasm. And maybe I'll be using a little bit of Skintimacy, which is kind of like a brick red brown. I'm gonna put some Noirgasm and blend it out and underneath the eye. And then I'm gonna go over the edge with Skintimacy. So we're just going on top of the black, right? Not on the whole eye, but just on the edge. I'm gonna add some glitter glue, and I'm using Earth Shattering, which is a chameleon shade. It is based in green and it bends in copper. We're gonna take on the tip of the finger the product, and we're going to press onto the eye. So we have ourselves a nice Fallout glitter eye. I got ham heavy on that hand. So you can see drama eye, sickening, honey. It's so pretty. All right, so now I'm just gonna take a nice little shadowy brush, and I'm gonna use Skintimacy along the edge. Make sure that there's no little disconnect between the shadows and the glitter. So right now, we need to take some alcohol. We're gonna use a little Strong Bond on a lift tape. I swear I'm a happy person. I swear this video I'm all dead eyes. I'm alive! I'm just running late, and I have details that need to be addressed. We're gonna put one right on the edge of my hairline. Now we're also going to take a little bit of Dr. Barbara Sturm. Glowy, glowy, glowy. Using these really cute palettes by Makeup Forever. I'm gonna use this right underneath the eye. I love the texture and the coverage. It's really pretty. All right, so now I'm gonna do a contour. I'm gonna take a little foundation to soften up the jawline contour. Take a little foundation on the same brush. We're gonna tap over the edges of the contour. So I mix foundation to create a softer kind of fleshy pinky hue, and then just stipple. We're gonna take pressed powder to keep the skin alive. We're gonna just kind of kick back all of the bake into the contour. We're gonna lighten everything up. We're gonna go back into our little pressed powder moment. All right, we're gonna add a tiny little highlight right to the bridge of the nose. Blush, 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 blush. Let's put on a lip. We're gonna take our lipstick and flash, flash. And we're patting it in because this lipstick is 100% coverage. When you apply it heavily, it will block out the color of your lip. Oh, and it smells so good. Creamy, hydrating formula with avocado oil, like a camel tone. Camel tone, not a camel toe. Are you sick? We're gonna take Tan Trick. It's got a nice orange hue to it with a holographic glitter, so it picks up in multi-tones. It's a perfect complement. Flash, flash. I can't believe it. We have a lip and we have an eye. It's all Miss Fame Beauty. She's doing it for the community. We're also gonna do a nice black liner using McGrath Labs again. Let's take a cleaner brush, clean off any contour. And we're also gonna take a shadow brush. And then I want to add a few AB stone. I will take a little powder. It's eye drugs, I swear. What? So basically, this is it. This is my look. It's gorgeous. I love the fact that I was able to present to you Miss Fame Beauty under my skin. We've got these gorgeous shadows here, loads of glitter and a mood. And please go check out MissFameBeauty.com. We're gonna be getting a portion of the proceeds out to HMI. I had fun creating this look for you today. I feel a bit rushed and I'm gonna be running late. So other than that, I hope you like this mood. It came spontaneously. I had no plan. I still don't know what I'm wearing. So check out my Instagram, see what I was wearing because it will already have been posted. I hope you're enjoying the product and I can't wait to see your version of Under My Skin all over you. Big kisses and thank you for supporting me on this amazing journey of product development and artistic expression to the fullest degree. Love you. Big kiss. Bye.